Hey folks, Pete Serrano, Silent Majority Foundation, with a great update on our case against Peacehealth called Zimmerman versus Peacehealth. First, I'm going to talk to the plaintiffs, and then I'm going to share this largely. So, when you kind of catch this video, it may seem like it's more geared to our plaintiffs. That's because it was to provide this update to them. First, for those of you who have stuck your neck out and been a plaintiff in this case, thank you. Thank you very much. You're the reason that we've gotten here. Second, to the Silent Majority Foundation team, to our support staff, to our other attorneys, to Austin and Karen, primarily to Karen on this one. She did a heck of a job, so shout out to her. So, if you remember the procedural posture in this case, again, it's November 9th, 2023. We were awaiting a motion to dismiss decision. Peacehealth sought to dismiss the case, to kick it out, say this case is null and void, it's done. And the judge denied in part and granted in part that motion. Now, what does that mean? That's pretty confusing. Typically it's a yes or no. Can I have ice cream? Yeah, sure. No way. Not, you can have some, but maybe not. And so, just skipping to the conclusion, it's denied similar relief as the specific plaintiffs. It's also, the judge also denied a couple of the claims and dismissed them. Specifically, those were any governmental action. We claimed that Peacehealth had worked on behalf of the government in developing its vaccine mandate. So the arbitrary and capricious government action, wage theft, and declaratory relief related to those, in other words, asking the court to declare that invalid, those are shot. The claim for injunctive relief related to the vaccine policy that was in place when we filed the lawsuit, that is dismissed. And the judge dismissed individual defendants. We sued Peacehealth and its executive team. Now, Peacehealth remains a defendant, so we can recover from the organization Peacehealth, but the individual defendants don't have liability. So what does that mean with the rest of the claims? Well, we filed an alleged unlawful employment discrimination, Washington law against discrimination, failure to accommodate, injunctive relief as to these reasonable accommodations that Peacehealth failed to accommodate you plaintiffs. All those claims survive. Now, the judge is very clear in this that a motion to dismiss has only a low kind of bar threshold. Now, we've seen, however, in many instances throughout the country that that's not necessarily the case. Many of these judges are dismissing these cases outrightly. We believe we had pled this very well. We believe that with your declarations, we had supporting evidence to demonstrate specifically these unlawful workplace and hostile environment claims. Now, the interesting thing is there are three claims: the hostile environment claims, disparate treatment, and disparate impact. Those three claims were newly alleged in our amended complaint. So Peacehealth has 30 days to address those claims to determine whether or not those three stick in addition to the other three. So this is really great news, and I'm trying to not get too excited because I want to relay the information and facts to you, but you all should be very happy, and I am very proud of our team that we got it this far. Karen Osborne kicked some butt, and we certainly couldn't do it without her effort. She brought many of you into the fold, so God bless her and thank her. So what does this mean moving forward? It means that these surviving claims, in addition to potentially these other three hostile work environment related claims and disparate impact and treatment claims, all get to move forward. Now, we have what's called a joint status report that's due the week of Christmas, the 28th of December. And that's really just a perfunctory scheduling order of like, hey, we're going to seek depositions here, we're going to get motions here, blah, blah, blah. But as we've said, surviving the motion to dismiss, even though it used to be a low threshold or hurdle, especially in these COVID-19 cases, this is a big win. This is a big win. The fact that we're going forward to potentially discovery or further motion practice or seeking settlement from Peacehealth, all of those are right now back in front of you. You're going to Thanksgiving in 3 weeks. Think about it this way. The table's set with the turkey, with the yams, with the mashed potatoes, with the pies. I like pecans, so don't get me pumpkin. And even the ice cream. The whole table's there. What were dismissed were some perfunctory claims, and unfortunately one of our plaintiffs was dismissed, and I don't want to call attention to that, but it had to do with not seeking a religious exemption. And we knew that that was a risky threshold the way we pled this case. But the table's set, and there's a great opportunity that we have to push these folks either into settlement. We need to at least open that door, have that conversation, see what it looks like, or move forward with further litigation, which is going to extend this process. So I'm excited. I know may not really seem that way because I'm trying to keep it under wraps so I can actually communicate with you. But this is a big win. This is a big win. Your case is moving forward. The judge could have said it's done here. And we've seen that all across the country. Surviving a motion to dismiss right now on COVID-19 cases is a big win. So thank you to the team at Silent Majority Foundation. Like I said, Karen Osborne, she crushed it. And thank you for your support. For those who are not our Peacehealth plaintiffs, I know this is a longer video, but you got to look at the work that we're doing, and you've got to keep funding it. This is the work that will change these laws, these rules, and these orders coming from these administrative agencies. There are a couple of awesome gun rights cases that came out in Louisiana and Texas today and yesterday. Folks, the tenor is changing. We're seeing it change in Washington, including this Peacehealth case. Please, please, please support our work, share our work, do what you can. We need to stick around. Silent Majority Foundation needs to be your continued voice. God bless. Thank you. Thanks for sticking around for over 7 minutes.